So I was talking that. So you asked me a question that what is the difference between being depressed and what is the difference between being depressed and being sad? See, being sad is a very common scenario. It's like everybody has their lows and highs. It's okay to have a low day. It's okay to feel low. But depression, this is how depression is defined. It is a group of conditions associated with elevating or lowering a person's mood. So people don't know that depression can at times also elevate your mood. It can also make you feel a high. But in that high itself, there is something missing. You don't feel balanced. And a depressing low is, of course, you feel terribly low. Now, when should you visit a psychiatrist or a psychologist? Is when that continues for a longer period of time. Like you feel low one day, that's fine. You meet your loved ones, you come to home, and you see your favorite television show, and you'll get back to being normal. The next day you're normal. That doesn't mean that you're depressed. Depression would happen when you're tired. So I read this excerpt from Shaheen Bhatt's book. For people who don't know who Shaheen Bhatt is, she's Alia Bhatt's sister who has been battling depression for the last 18 years. She wrote a book called I've Never Been Unhappier. I read an excerpt from her book which said that when you're depressed, you are tired. You're tired of everything. You're tired of the melodrama. You're tired of people. You're tired of being tired. You're so tired, and you're always away from being happy. Like the state of happiness seems always away from you. That's when you know that you're depressed. And
it's like, I think depression, I think we were discussing yesterday and 2 days back also that you told me that depression is like when a person is having frequency and variable. They have like kabhi bahut zyada they feel sad and kabhi they feel a lot happier and a lot sad. So there is no consistency in their behavior, I guess. So this is what we spoke about. If you can elaborate that.
Yeah, I would. So that is called bipolar disorder. That is also a form of depression. So just one second, I'm pinging people your profile. Shraddha C05, right?
Right.
SHRADDHAC05.
I think I got few requests. I'll accept. I have the Instagram open in my laptop.
That's cool. Yeah, we want everyone to join. So yeah, so the thing is that's called bipolar disorder. That's a form of depression. Hi Madzi, how are you? I can see you waving at me. So bipolar disorder is a form of depression where like the first 4 hours of the day you feel really good. You feel uppity, you feel like doing some activities, and the next 4 hours you're in your bed and you don't feel doing anything. It's like there's no enthusiasm to do any activity. Forget about doing any activity. You just feel like lying down and doing nothing, absolutely nothing. You delay your work. You don't go to office. You take leaves. Yeah. So that's bipolar disorder. It's also another form of depression. But basic tendency of a person who's depressed is not feeling good about their own selves for a continuous period of time. Yeah, that's how I define depression. That's how I think you should know. So you should be aware. Okay, I've been feeling like this for a long period of time. Like it's not just been a day or a week or a month. Like it's been some months, right? I've been feeling, and I think if it's happening even for a month, that's a month also is a very long time. I think you should just visit a psychiatrist or a psychologist.
Yeah, I think even if I'm not aware of my behavior, I think the person who is close to me, my family members, my friends, they're allowed to get picked like that. This person, Shraddha, is not feeling good since a long time, or maybe Shivam is not feeling good since a long time. So I think this is all awareness. I'm not taking it casually. I think what I feel is like, okay, yaar, right? Like you have mentioned in your story, I guess. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स अगर डिप्रेशन वाली बातें करते हैं तो एवरीवन लाइक ठीक है यार मूवी देखने चलते हैं, चाय पे चलते हैं, आज तुझे कॉफी पिलाता हूँ, तो ये बहुत कैजुअल अप्रोच होती है. फॉर टाइम के लिए the person will feel good, but later on person will get back to the same state when he is all alone in his isolated world inside the room. Yeah.
Now I'll tell you why do friends do that. So friends also have a good agenda only, that the agenda is to help the friend who's struggling or who's not feeling good. So there are two ways to solve depression. One is talk therapy, for which you go to a psychiatrist, and the other is talk therapy, for which you go to a psychologist. The second is medication, for which you go to a psychiatrist, right? So friends try and act like psychologists, but the point is, at times friends cannot give you insights about your own self as good as a psychologist can do, right? And
they are professionally trained. Yeah, friends are not professionally trained.
They are professionally trained. They are medical professionals, and people don't go to psychologists. They feel that it's a taboo. They feel that they want to feel weak. They want to be judged. They feel कि कुछ imply हो जाएगा अगर मैं जाऊँगा किसी से बात करने, एक medical professional से बात करने, it's going to imply something that I'm weak. It's going to imply that I cannot fix my own problems. Society is going to judge me. Let society judge you. Society is judging you all the time.
हाँ ठीक है, अगर किसी को थर्ड पर्सन को पता चलेगा तो psychiatrist mean mental disorder. It's not a mental disorder, it's a disease. But what people think is it's like a mental disorder. So psychiatrist, मेरे माइंड में, सबके माइंड में एक जनरल जो ये कंसेप्शन बना हुआ है वो यही है कि साइकियाट्रिस्ट मतलब आदमी पागल है. यही एक होता है कि नहीं, बट साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास डिप्रेशन वाले पेशेंट नहीं जा सकते हैं. डिप्रेशन इज अ डिजीज, लाइक व्हाट यू सेड, दैट इट्स अ डिजीज ऑफ 21st century. तो आई थिंक ये जो टैबू बना हुआ है ये बहुत जल्दी या सूनर और लेटर वी हैव टू, हमारे माइंडसेट चेंज होना बहुत जरूरी है सोसाइटी का. अदरवाइज ये चलता ही रहेगा.
We need to come out. And you won't believe, like 10 million cases in one country, in a country like India, and people are still worried about what log kya bolenge. I mean, that is, I mean, seriously, I think it's high time our society, be compassionate towards these people. Yeah, they're going through something bullshit. They're going through something which can affect their lives. They are going through something which can take life. It's a serious matter. Don't just rubbish. One thing which people do is that is very odd. Something which I also used to do. I am not very proud of. People discount the experiences of other people. Now, what does that mean? लोग दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम को छोटा समझते हैं. Like आपके लिए एक प्रॉब्लम छोटी हो सकती है, दूसरे के लिए प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ी है.
Correct. So I told you that one of my relatives, she posted in her blog कि आप किसी को समझाने की कोशिश करते हो कि यार उसके साथ तो इतना ज्यादा बुरा हुआ है, तुम तो बहुत बेटर सिचुएशन. सो आई थिंक वन ऑफ माई रिलेटिव, शी वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू द पीपल कि यार ऐसा नहीं होता है कि सामने वाले की प्रॉब्लम उसके लिए बहुत बड़ी हो सकती है, आपके लिए वो छोटी होगी, बट हमको कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. वो ज्यादा दुखी है, तुम तो गरीब है, उसके पास कुछ नहीं, तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ है. So I think these factors are null and void when it comes to depression. Depression किसी को भी हो सकता है.
Exactly. That is why it's very one basic fact is that depression का अमीरियत से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है. It has got nothing to do with money. It has got nothing to do with fame. Like
so that is why my next question to you is the same only, that since you are also an actor and people are thinking, let's move to our main topic, that Sushant Singh Rajput का जो भी चल रहा है. So people are thinking he had all fame, he used to live a luxurious life. बंदे की 25 दिन में इतनी पूरी हो रही थी, इतनी मूवी सुपर हिट हुई थी. He had a good family, घर था, fan following थी, fame, money, everything was there. How can that person be depressed? He used to smile all his songs. सब कुछ सेट था कि, but फिर भी एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आ पा रही है कि यार सुशांत सिंह राजपूत भी डिप्रेस हो सकता है. How come? So what you will say on this?
Yeah, to be honest, even Deepika Padukone was depressed. Right. Deepika Padukone was depressed for quite some months, and it doesn't matter how big of a celebrity you are. Like it doesn't. People are very. That's why I'm saying people don't know. People do not have the appropriate knowledge about depression. it has got nothing to do with your fame. It has got nothing to do with money. It has got nothing to do how many films you had, how many films you were about to do. Even at times, social exclusion can lead to depression, and people are forgetting the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput के ऊपर Me Too के allegations लग गए थे when he was doing his last film with Sanjana Sanghi, his co-star, Dil Bechara, which is about to be released on 24th of July. उनके ऊपर Me Too के allegations लग गए थे, and that can really shake a person up, right? Like, him coming with such a family, he was from Patna, Bihar, and then at times it just jolts you up, कोई आपके ऊपर ऐसे allegation लगा रहा है, and people try to ban him. There were articles online, and the articles did not go till Sanjana Sanghi came back from the United States of America.
I think she was outside of India, yeah, that time.
And she squashed those allegations, that those Me Too allegations on Sushant Singh Rajput. So that's where I feel the journalism, the media in the industry has to be really, really sensitive, has to be really, really compassionate. They'll write whatever they feel would earn money, they feel would earn a lot of eyes, would get a lot of viewers. So I don't know what he was going through. No one knows. But the fact which really shocks me is that people have completely ignored the possibility that he could be depressed. There are so many videos online which I feel are nothing but mere attempts to push the personal agenda for 15 minutes of fame by putting out a YouTube video on YouTube. You won't believe that there's a guy, I won't take his name, वो भाई साहब क्या बोलते हैं, अरे मैं मान ही नहीं सकता कि यार सुशांत मेरा भाई डिप्रेस था, उसने जूस पिया, वो सुसाइड कैसे कर सकते हैं? So I don't know.
Jूस पिया, he came out of the room.
Let me tell you, I was depressed in my college. I was so damn depressed. I called up my dad and told him I want to come back. मेरे से engineering नहीं हो रही है. And there was a time in my college life when I told my dad, I called him up and like, मेरे से engineering नहीं हो रही है, I want to come back. Well, he was very cool and said, you come back, we'll talk about it. Well, I did go back for some time back home. But then when I came back, it didn't go away. I used to feel so bad. I used to play badminton all the time in my college. I used to play badminton when it was raining. I used to play badminton when it was sunny. I used to play badminton all the time because I've seen people, they spend like 4 to 6 hours in gym because they don't want to think about what's bothering them. So people have different ways of dealing with it. कोई किसी ने जूस पी लिया तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो डिप्रेस नहीं हो सकता. मैंने बहुत बार जूस पिया और मैं डिप्रेशन में था. So
people have this question कि जूस पिया है, he was happy and उसके बाद सीधे सुसाइड कर लिया. मतलब they are not able to relate that जूस पीने के बाद आदमी के दिमाग का मतलब ये नहीं है कि थॉट्स आपकी चेंज हो जाएंगे. जूस पिया ठीक है, फाइन, बट व्हाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेप्ट इट? ठीक है यार, बंदा डिप्रेस था, तब दे आर कंपेयरिंग इट टू कि ये करो वो करो, लोगों के कमेंट्स वॉल पे कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं. इतने सारे फेक प्रोफाइल्स बन चुके हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के. Even I am following few of them, but बहुत ज्यादा ये exaggerate हो रहा है ये वाली चीज. And like, how do you conclude it? How do you take it from your point of view? Like,
see, I am not gonna comment that whether it was a murder or a suicide. I am no one. I am a bloody nobody to comment on it. I did not know the guy personally. And a lot of people who are coming out there and saying that, okay, we want justice for his death. I'm sorry, you need to let the system do its job. You need to believe in the system. People are calling for, CBI. Fine, you call for CBI, you call for a CBI inquiry. But अरे भैया, आप मुंबई पुलिस की रिपोर्ट तो आने दो. आप उनकी रिपोर्ट आने दो. उससे it's like कि आप एक प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है? आपने 60% प्रोग्रेस कर ली इस प्रोजेक्ट में, देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बिकॉज़ लोगों का प्रेशर है, वो प्रोजेक्ट आपसे छीन के किसी और टीम को दे दिया गया. How would you feel? It's not fair. Mumbai police is not stopping. They have taken the statement of more than 28 people in the case. Let them do their job, right? And meanwhile, be patient. People lack patience. People lack patience for life. This is, and I like hate when people push their personal agenda. There's an actress. There's an actress who's coming out with videos each day. Not such heinous videos, like such terrible videos that it churns my stomach when I look at her on YouTube, going that मैंने एक वीडियो देखा, उसमें मैं मुंबई पुलिस को ब्लेम नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन उसमें सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की उंगलियां हिल रही थी, किसने वो चादर से उनकी उंगलियां ढक दी, मुंबई पुलिस का कोई वहाँ लोग, वहाँ पे मुंबई पुलिस के लोग थे, लेकिन मैं मुंबई पुलिस को ब्लेम नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन वहाँ पे वो लोग थे, इनडायरेक्टली शी इज ब्लेमिंग देम एंड देन शी इज सेइंग मैं उनको ब्लेम नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम लाइक यार आप लोग थोड़ा सब्र रखो, डोंट पुट सच नेगेटिव वीडियोस आउट देयर. अगले दिन वो सोनम कपूर को ब्लेम कर रही हैं, उससे अगले दिन वो किसी और एक्टर को ब्लेम कर रही हैं. एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड नॉट बी ब्लेमिंग समबडी एल्स राइट नाउ. इट्स नॉट फेयर कि आप आलिया भट्ट को ब्लेम कर दो, उनकी प्रोफाइल पे जाके आप उल्टी सीधे कमेंट्स लिख दो. जस्ट इमेजिन what would you or I have done had people been abusing us. I think it's a great move that Alia Bhatt and Sonakshi Sinha and Sonam Kapoor have shut down their profile for public commenting. Their profile. Yeah, what would you do? Sonam Kapoor की बहन को death threats आए हैं, रिया कपूर को. That is bullshit. मतलब you are hurt that even as an actor I was hurt when I learned about Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise. But that doesn't mean that you will you will abuse other people. You will abuse
I think all this is taking to like Alia, इन सब चीजों से आलिया भट्ट या सोनम कपूर या कोई और भी डिप्रेस हो सकता है. Like you are provoking that person to get depressed. Like ठीक है, आपकी कोई पर्सनल ग्रजेस नहीं होने चाहिए उनके साथ. So नेपोटिज्म और ये सारी चीजें जो चल रही हैं, इससे ये है कि ठीक है यार, उनको बेनिफिट मिला है नेपोटिज्म से, इतना समझ आता है. बट उन्होंने मारा सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को, दे आर ब्लेमिंग दैट पर्सन. बट हाउ कुड यू से दिस? आपके पास ना प्रूफ है ना कुछ है. दे प्रोवोक्ड सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. लोगों का ये भी कहना है, नॉट डायरेक्टली मर्डर बट दे प्रोवोक्ड हिम. सो व्हाट यू विल से दैट? डू यू थिंक पीपल, द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री प्रोवोक्ड हिम टू सुसाइड?
As I said, I'm no one to comment. All I know is that people who are saying that it was a murder, I want to ask them two things. His alleged girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti, or who was also living with him, as per the reports, I don't know. As per the reports, let's say as per the reports, she gave a statement to Mumbai police that he was depressed for last 6 months and he was taking antidepressants. Right? His psychiatrist, again the one who gives medication, psychologist is the one who does talk therapy. His psychiatrist came in front and said, yeah, he was taking medicines for last 6 months. तो मतलब कि अगर let's suppose that it was not a suicide, means रिया चक्रवर्ती भी झूठ बोल रही हैं, उनके psychiatrist भी झूठ बोल रहे हैं. It's like then सबको मिला हुआ है, right? और किसने उनको provoke किया या नहीं किया, वो तो यार If I also start commenting like that, then there's no difference between the people on the internet pushing their personal agenda and me. So I'm not gonna go over there. I'm gonna wait.
I think you do not belong to any film industry. You are from a middle class normal family, and Sushant was also from the same. So what was your reaction when you heard of 14th June afternoon that Sushant Singh Rajput did suicide? What was your first reaction on this news?
I didn't believe the news. I thought it was fake.
Yeah, mine was also.
Many people, like my colleagues, know that I'm in theatre and I've been doing some ads, and I know some people who have done web series. Like now I've moved to Mumbai. I'm in touch with some people. So my colleagues were asking me. They were pinging me. Some people called me, and I didn't believe it. But then when it got confirmed, then it was shocking. It is shocking. If you look at it from one perspective, there is something mysterious, right? There is something mysterious, and sometimes medicines do not work. Yeah, that's true. Often doctors give the wrong medication. So yeah, and that's why I say depression actually has no cure. I read this online that depression can be treated, but there is no permanent cure for depression. There is no medicine. And I also read this that there are SSRIs and SNRIs, which are the medicines for depression. They are called antidepressants. They work on reducing the negative emotion, but there are hardly any medicines which work on enhancing the positive emotion. right? So I think there is one medicine I noted its name down. It's called ketamine. Ketamine is one medicine which has proven to enhance the positive emotion instead of working on reducing negative emotion. So reducing negative emotion and enhancing positive emotions are not the same thing. They're two different things. So yeah, I think medicines also, they're not foolproof cure to this. But
I think it's a temporary solution. Medicines and all. It's like I feel personally, I feel artificial and temporary solution. Otherwise, the environment, the friends, and the natural happiness comes from within. Like when you are happy from inside. Medicine आपको एक treatment दे देगा, but then that is not a long-lasting thing, no? कि हाँ ठीक है, हमेशा medicine ही लेते रहेंगे. एक time तो ऐसा आएगा कि आपको खुद को push करना पड़ेगा. You have to come out of that isolated zone and talk.
Talk therapy comes really handy. Talk therapy comes really handy. Yes, medicines do have side effects which can provoke you towards suicidal tendencies. See, wrong medicines also catapult one towards suicidal tendencies. Well said, Matsi. Completely believe you. Yeah, one thing which I would like to say about Sushant Singh Rajput's the entire episode which has been going on. I think लोगों ने अपनी CBI की दुकान खोल रखी है जो उनको बंद करनी पड़ेगी, which is shocking. हर कोई CBI की दुकान खोल के अपनी YouTube पे एक वीडियो डाल रहा है और वर्डिक्ट डिक्लेयर कर रहा है. It's like सुशांत ने ये नहीं कर सकता, मैं मान नहीं सकता, उसने ऐसा किया होगा, उसने ऐसा किया होगा. Like oh my God, all the people out there, आप अपनी CBI की दुकानें बंद करें. You are not a Supreme Court judge to declare a verdict. It's like शादियों में वो 10-10 के नोट नहीं उठते. It's like अच्छा ये आलिया भट्ट.
Recently, I have seen a picture. Few of the people are holding that voting in front of them, and they have mentioned Sushant was murdered. We want CBI inquiry. Okay, fine, you want CBI inquiry. यहाँ तक समझ में आता है. But who are you to declare that Sushant was murdered? Who are we to declare?
I mean, it's like this freedom of speech, right? We talk about we talk about media being irresponsible, media writing bullshit on digital platforms. But what about people? Are people responsible in their communication? You won't believe after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, people went on to Rhea Chakraborty's profile and they write such stupid comments, such shitty comments on her profile. एक बंदे ने ये लिखा हुआ था, इसको जेल में डाल दो, ये हत्यारी है. I mean, यार तुम कौन हो यार? तुम क्या जज हो क्या? कौन? तो मैं कॉल पे हूँ. So I'm like, I was flabbergasted to see such comments written down a celebrity's profile. So it was written on that picture, जहाँ पे that Rhea Chakraborty had posted a picture with Sushant Singh Rajput on his birthday on 22nd of January. So when he passed away, लोगों ने ये लिखना शुरू कर दिया कि ये हत्यारी है, इसको जेल में डाल दो, आपने ध्यान नहीं रखा उसका, ये नहीं किया, आप हत्यारी हो, आपने ये किया, वो किया. I mean, just reading those comments, you're like, oh my God, like, it's inexplicable. You don't have words to explain such comments.
And it's creating a negative environment in the society. Everyone will follow that approach only. कि सोशल मीडिया पे हम किसी को भी कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. No one is going to caught us. कोई हमें आके बोल नहीं रहा है. ठीक है यार, we have freedom of right to speech and expression, but we should not write anything and everything on random people walls whom we don't even know. We have not interacted them even once in our lives. ठीक है, हम public celebrity है तो कुछ भी लिख दोगे.
Exactly. Yeah. ये आपने बोला ना कि क्या लोग प्रोवोक करते हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. आई थिंक सो. कंगना रनौत कुछ वीडियोस देखे थे. मीडिया बहुत प्रोवोक करता है, आपको पता है. लाइक कंगना रनौत, आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ हर. शी इज I think she should be declared the Iron Lady of India because she has fought so many battles in her own life. उन्होंने आके बोला था YouTube पे कि कुछ लोग मेरे बारे में ऐसे लिख देते हैं, नाम नहीं लिखते लेकिन वो लिख देते हैं कि कर्ली बालों वाली लड़की है, वो ऐसे है, वो पागल है, वो
indirectly
वो साइको है, वो ऐसे बिहेव करती है. एंड वो एक्टर अच्छी एक्टिंग करती है, ये बेस कम नहीं है कि वो कुछ भी बोल देगी, कुछ भी कर देगी. तो लोग उनके बारे में भी अनाप-शनाप बकते हैं. तो प्रोवोक आई थिंक अब मीडिया करता है, बट नाउ दिस इज ऑल पेड मीडिया, दिस गॉट पीआर. अब इसको जैसे कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का आई टोल्ड यू कि मीटू में उनका नाम आ गया था, एंड देन हर को एक्टर केम बैक फ्रॉम द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड सेड कि ऐसा तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. right? But then who leaked, who created that story? Like, whose idea was it to write these articles?
Yeah.
Media, right? People who were jealous of him, maybe they paid that media, maybe they hired some people to write those articles. And again, जैसे कि संजू फिल्म में दिखाया गया कि media always has a question mark at the end of the title, and at the end of the article they have a question mark. Nobody
They play with our minds actually. Media play with our minds. कि हम question mark ignore कर देते हैं, but जो main statement bold लिखा हुआ है, believe on that.
Exactly. So because of the question mark, you can't challenge them in the court. वो बोलेंगे ये तो speculation है, हमने कहीं confirm नहीं किया. Like I think irresponsible and insensitive journalism does provoke those negative emotions in an actor.
Actually, what happened recently? The Sanjana Sanghi का interrogation हुआ था. He was called to Mumbai police station for the inquiry of Sushant's death. So she's from Delhi, I guess. So she told to media, and I read it on Facebook on one of the, I think if the source is correct, so if we can believe on that. So Me Too का जब case हुआ था, सुशांत पे जब allegations लगे थे, then she was not in India at that time. She was out of India, and she told to police that Sushant was not happy and he was little sad and depressed when he got to know that he is also being dragged into this Me Too thing. And बाद में जो पता चला था, then Sanjana Sanghi confessed in police station that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. They both had a great chemistry. They both had a great bond of friendship. And so Me Too was nowhere in the picture. But हमारे माइंड में तो क्लिक हो गया ना एक बार को, यार सुशांत कर सकता है क्या ऐसा?
Even I thought कि यार सुशांत सिंह राजपूत भी ऐसा निकला. You know, even I thought for some days, and like जब तक वो रिपोर्ट चली थी, like so that's why people have to, oh my god, like it's like इन लोगों ने पैसे के बदले अपना ज़मीर बेच खाया है. To be honest, people who write these articles, it's like their conscience is dead. They're living with a dead conscience. It's as simple as that. Like if I were a journalist, I would never even think of writing such an article. Till I'm sure.
This is what they get paid for. कुछ ऐसी news मिल जाए जिससे सबकी नजर उस पे आ जाए, and that channel and that page and that newspaper get hit.
I think सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा मुझे इन लोगों पे आ रहा है जो YouTube पे अपनी वीडियोस बना रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि सुशांत मेरा भाई था, मैं मान नहीं सकता कि वो डिप्रेस हो सकता है. लाइक तू कौन है यार कि तू मान नहीं सकता कि वो डिप्रेस हो सकता है? लाइक तू है कौन? Are you a qualified doctor?
Have you ever met him even once in your life?
No. Forget about that. Are you a medical professional? Are you a psychiatrist? Are you a psychologist? तुमने क्या कोई डिप्रेस्ड पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया है? तुमने क्या किसी डिप्रेस बंदे से बात करी है? और फिर वीडियो के एंड में आखिरी में आके बोलते हैं अरे यार प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. जब लोग आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, लाइक करते हैं, वो आपका समय रहता है और बड़ा हौसला बन जाता है. अरे यार तुमको अगर खुद को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करवाना है, अपना वीडियो बनाओ ना.
It's all getting promotions and getting marketing, getting more number of likes and followers.
वो 50,000 व्यूज के लिए आप कुछ भी वीडियो बना रहे हो और आप कुछ भी उसमें लिख रहे हो. Like, मैं सुशांत की फैमिली के साथ खड़ा हूँ, सीबीआई इंक्वायरी चाहते हैं. Like let Mumbai police do their job. If you're not happy with their report, then you ask for a CBI inquiry.
I was thinking what Sushant's family must be going through after listening to all this news. Like even they are his first close family members. जब उनको first of all सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की जो pictures viral हुई थी the day he died. Even I got it from one of my contact. If you have received that picture, and I was thinking, सुशांत के पापा को कैसा फील हुआ होगा, सुशांत की सिस्टर्स को, कि उसके उनके बेटे की, उनके भाई की पिक्चर जो बहुत प्राइवेसी, मतलब लाइक देयर इज नो प्राइवेसी इन सोशल मीडिया. प्राइवेसी छोड़ो, लोगों के अंदर दिमाग नहीं है क्या यार? आप कैसी फोटोज कितने लोगों को भेज रहे हो? मतलब हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? मतलब इट्स लाइक सेंसलेस. बहुत ज्यादा था. मैंने जो फोटो देखी, इवन इट्स अ वेरी नेगेटिव पिक्चर, सुशांत की आईज ओपन एंड ऑल दैट, बट आई वाज शॉक्ड टू सी दैट पिक्चर एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड मोर देन दैट कि लोग मतलब कैसे फॉरवर्ड कैसे कर देते हैं पिक्चर्स. और एक जने को फॉरवर्ड करोगे फिर को पाएगा, किसी के अंदर पेशेंस तो है नहीं. आई डिलीटेड दोस पिक्चर्स दैट वेरी मोमेंट. और मुझे जिसने भेजी मैंने उसको भी धाड़ दिया यार क्या कर रहे हो.
You won't believe I received a picture अभी सोशल मीडिया पे एक बंदे ने भेजी जिसमें सुशांत सिंह एनिमेटेड पिक्चर है जिसमें सुशांत सिंह राजपूत लेटे हुए हैं, एक बंदा ने उनके पैर पकड़े हुए हैं, अगेन एनिमेटेड फेलो, दूसरा बंदा उनका गला घोट रहा है पीछे से, सर की साइड से, एंड उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है दिस इज हाउ ही वाज मर्डर्ड. सो आई थ्रैश दैट फेलो. आई एम लाइक डूड, यू नो, let's not get ahead of ourselves and stop spreading this nonsense on Instagram or WhatsApp for now. And he's telling me spread this picture, we want justice for Sushant, this is how he was murdered. Like दो लोगों ने, एक ने टांगे पकड़ी, दूसरे ने गला घोट दिया. And I'm like यार आप लोग, आप कुछ सेंस भी है, like कुछ सेंस भी, आप कुछ भी बकवास कर जा रहे हो, सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ भी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हो. And like you know, it's very insensitive of people. People need to be sensitive. People need to just stay patient for some time. And I think कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो जब ये सब चल रहा था, इधर उधर की नॉनसेंस चल रही थी, जब दूसरे लोगों को गालियां पड़ रही थी, I think Vicky Kaushal came forward through one of his posts and he said that कि जिनको जाना था वो फिलहाल हमें छोड़ के चले गए, बहुत दुख की बात है. जो बचे हुए हैं उनको थोड़ा रहम बख्शो.
Right. I think your friend is telling that he was a public figure. This is expected, but I think my view on this is expected. But I think we people have to be very cautious. This is expected, समझ आता है. But अगर हम लोग समझ जाएंगे थोड़ा, तो ये expected नहीं कहलाएगा. Like even if we become a public figure, even if you become a great actor someday, and अगर मतलब कुछ ऐसा हो पब्लिक फिगर, तो कुछ भी बोल दोगे क्या यार? नहीं, पब्लिक फिगर वालों की भी प्राइवेसी होती है. They have their personal lives.
यार पब्लिक फिगर तो है, लेकिन आजकल पब्लिक फिगर वालों के लिए कुछ भी बोला जाता है यार. Like there is an actress called Meera Kapoor. She received death threats from Junior NTR fans, who's a famous actor in South Indian cinema, because she said that Junior NTR is not her favorite hero in South Indian cinema, right? और उसके लिए she got death threats, she got rape threats. I mean, which was shocking to me. And I went on Twitter and I tweeted to some of the people who were saying bad shit about Meera Kapoor. I'm like, I told them that, hey, I think you have forgotten the fact that, you know, that you also have sisters and you also have mothers. आप सोचिए कि आपकी माँ बहन को अगर ऐसे कोई डेथ या रेप थ्रेट देगा तो आप कैसे फील करेंगे? Like there were people who were telling Meera Kapoor to apologize on Twitter because she said that she's not a big fan of Junior NTR. Junior NTR अच्छे एक्टर हैं, ठीक है, अच्छे कलाकार हैं, कोई दो राय नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने उनका अगर ज्यादा काम नहीं देखा है तो मेरे फेवरेट नहीं होंगे. ऑफ कोर्स इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. You know, मैंने जिस हीरो का ज्यादा काम देखा है, जाहिर सी बात है कि वो there's a great deal of possibility that hero would be my favorite actor, or that hero would be my favorite female actor. तो अगर कोई मेरे से पूछे कि अच्छा अभी साउथ इंडिया में आपका फेवरेट हीरो कौन सा है, so I'll say Prabhas. I will not say Junior NTR, right? Because after watching Bahubali, I became a big fan of him. But ये सेंटेंस बोलने के लिए मुझे अगर गालियां पड़ने लग जाए, मेरे घर वालों को अगर you know ये सब रेप और डेथ थ्रेट्स, तो I mean it's oh my god, ऐसे लोगों को सीरियसली फील इस देश छोड़ के चले जाना चाहिए. I think such people are cinema, Indian cinema doesn't deserve such fans.
I think Tarun here has rightly said that people have forgotten how to be human first. I think this is very true, and people have really forgotten this, that everyone is a human being, everyone has their personal life. आप किसी को कुछ भी बोलोगे, it's not acceptable.
Yeah.
So I think social media is everyone is talking about anything and everything on social media. So what's your say that how do we present ourselves and behave on social media? How like people, random people doing anything and everything?
I have there are three things which I think everybody needs to take care of. First is that people need to be compassionate towards other people on social media. People need to be sensitive, right? And need to be thoughtful. So be sensitive, right. Be compassionate, and be thoughtful. Because I have heard this very beautiful line told to me by my director. He said that he was addressing us before a theatre rehearsal, and he said that your words can make or break people. So always remember that. And Buddha, I would like to connect the dots by mentioning something which Buddha said. Buddha said this. He said 9 thoughts to 1 word. That means that you have to put 9 thoughts before you even utter one single word. Now, we can't really expect people to think 9 times before saying 1 word, but they can at least think twice or once before uttering 1 word. So it's not that we have to inculcate 100% of what Buddha said. Because 9 बार तो of course कोई hardly सोचेगा बोलने से पहले. But if people could be thoughtful, I think once, I think that would be great. और सोशल मीडिया पे जाके आप कुछ भी लिखने से पहले एक बार सोचो कि दूसरे इंसान को कैसा लगेगा जिसको लिख रहे हो. So yeah, आप कुछ भी लिख रहे हो.
People just bother about likes बढ़ जाएंगे मेरे, comments आ जाएंगे, I'll have more number of followers. People are targeting their personal agenda. This is what you told. ठीक है, उनको बस अपने खुद के सेल्फिश वाली, अगर if they would have been thoughtful, sensitive, लोग ऐसे करेंगे ही नहीं ना. लेकिन लोगों को बस ये लगता है कि हमारे likes कितना आ रहे हैं, because जनरली ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी होती है कि हम लोग नेगेटिव इमोशंस की तरफ, या जहाँ ज्यादा कॉन्स्पिरेसी या सस्पेंस या थोड़ा सा ऐसा माहौल, ऐसी बातें हो रही होती हैं, तो वी ट्राई टू आवर माइंड्स गेट डाइवर्टेड टुवर्ड्स दैट साइड. लेकिन जहाँ इट्स लाइक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी था, क्वेश्चन मार्क, सस्पेंस, कॉन्स्पिरेसी, कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, लाइक जैसे टीवी शोज में होता है ना, ठीक है लड़ाई झगड़ा हो रहा है, ये सब हो रहा है, तो सबका माइंड उधर डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है यार, अब क्या होगा नेक्स्ट, और everyone follows the same approach then. अगर एक ने ऐसा पोस्ट करा है, तो there will be like multiple people following that. वो भूल जाएंगे कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, so it's like people don't like truth because first of all, reality falls harsh on ears. Again, I think it is a quote by Dr. Dasaku Ikeda. It says that reality falls harsh on ears. It's very difficult for people to accept the reality. And people like this mystery, this masala, right? It's like, now see, some people are not ready to even consider a possibility of a suicide in Sushant's case. All people are saying कि नहीं यार ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. क्यों? Because then it will be very plain. It will be a very it will be a plain case of a suicide because of depression. People want कि कोई ना कोई फंसे, कोई ना कोई पकड़ा जाए, कि ये murder prove हो जाए, right? So yeah, which is,
I think, hi Meenal, I think you said it very right, that positivity is shallow but negativity has depth.
Positivity is shallow. Well, with all due respect to what you're saying, I beg to differ. Positivity is not shallow. Positivity is very deep. And let me tell you one thing: some people are so positive that when they, if they even cross you, they'll end up cleaning the negativity. Some people are so positive that they have the ability to take that negative emotion out of you. Like you talk to, like, why do you think talk therapy helps for a depressed patient? Because a psychologist is so positive. A psychologist gives you insights about the positivity which is hidden within, right? So that's why positivity is very, very deep. It's a hidden treasure. That's why I also put this post sometimes back on my profile, which said that the best place to go these days is within. Only if you go within, you'll realize, how deep, that everything in the world.
I think you have to be happy with yourself first. I think what you have and what you are. I think this person, it's Baru, they are telling, he or she, I don't know, he's a friend of yours, that you may laugh at jokes, dance with others, sing along to songs, but inside you still feel sad, and that's what depression does. Very correct. Because if the person is happy,
I think Emanal Sharma was saying, can I explain? You can type it out. You can type it out. You can type it out. Yeah. But if I think what he meant to say is that what appears, what appears is that like people appear to be very positive, but deep down they're negative. I think that's what he meant to say. But positivity as a quality is it's a treasure hidden deep within. No, all right.
Meenal, you can explain, yeah, what do you want to say? I think you wanted to say something else. Yeah. But then talking about social media and all, everywhere, even I have seen a lot of videos of Sushant Singh Rajput. So मैं last few weeks से देखती हूँ and I'm getting into that negative environment, negative feeling. If I scroll my Instagram and Facebook for 5 minutes, मुझे हर दूसरा वीडियो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का दिख जाता है. And it's add on to my negativity to more. ठीक है यार, सोने से पहले मैं ये देखना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ. I want to be positive. But then why people are posting such videos? There might be people like me who are watching those videos and they're getting influenced and affected by those videos which one should not have posted actually. Okay.
Yeah, I think I think as a sane person, you have to distance yourself from such videos because एक के बाद एक वो आ रहा है यार, एक के बाद एक वीडियो आ रहा है. So we have to distance ourselves. Okay, what's Meenal saying?
I think she's saying that I understand that perspective very well, but we get attracted to negative things very easily. It's difficult to keep ourselves away from negativity.
So I'll say something. So Meenal, I'll say something now. Hear me out carefully. Now this is again a very good concept. If you get attracted to negative things very easily, that means there is something negative within you. Whatever you attract is nothing but whatever is inside you. So trust me, I've been practicing spirituality for last couple of years, and the path to enlightenment isn't always easy. So whatever you're facing in your environment right now, so you ask yourself, what must I believe so strongly within that my life is pulling that? That my life is pulling that and trying to show me the mirror and telling me that this is what you believe in. That means I believe that there is, and then that negativity is within me. That's why I'm getting attracted to negativity outside so easily. That's a mirror which your life is trying to tell you, hey, there's something negative within. You replace it with
what we see outside is within. So whatever we are attracting is like our minds and our thoughts. It's law of attraction. It's a scientific theory. But whatever you attract is from within. So if you are being positive from inside, but then what she's trying to say is that people get attracted to negativity. But you said it rightly that we have to look within why we are attracting negativity, why not positivity. So we have to work on ourselves, polish ourselves, our thoughts. We have to nurture our mind, our heart, our brain. It's not that कि हम हमेशा ही positive feel करेंगे, negative feel होता है. But then that should be momentarily. We have to get back to our positive state quickly. हम ज़्यादा negativity की तरफ ज़्यादा time तक नहीं रहें. So we have to work on our thoughts and mind, our heart, what we are thinking, how we are presenting ourselves, what things we are watching.
One more thing I'd like to highlight is that it's very important to be aware. It's very important to be aware of how you're feeling. And if you feel that you are getting attracted to anything negative very easily, then be aware. So it's a good thing to be aware. So what Meenal said, like to add on to that, if you've cracked that, then you're almost halfway there. If you're aware, okay, I get attracted to negative things very easily, then you put a stop. Then you put a stop to your habits. Like stop watching negative things. Don't meet negative people. Don't eat food which make you feel negative. Don't eat junk food. Like junk food makes me feel negative, makes me feel guilty, makes me feel bad. I avoid it. I don't remember the last time I had a pizza because I know I'm going to feel guilty about it. Don't feel that person. Don't meet that person. If you know there's a person who's very negative, who tries to demotivate you instead of encouraging you, do not meet that person.
There are people who always crib others, दूसरों के बारे में भला बुरा बोलना, वो ऐसा. So distance yourself from those people who are like everywhere. They are trying to crib people, मतलब insult करना दूसरों की. So you'll identify yourself that what that person is impacting on you, on your mind. आपको खुद को समझ में आ जाता है यार, उससे मिलने के बाद बहुत negative feel होता है.
Yeah. So Meenal, I would say start reading more positive books. You can start by reading The Secret. I would say. I would suggest that. Start reading more positive books, and you will see the pattern changing. You will see that you are getting attracted more towards positivity. You are getting attracted towards more positive things rather than getting attracted to negative things. So it's a change. It's our own problem. Trust me. And we cannot blame the environment, because for how long would we blame the environment? It is something within. We have to change from within, and it's for us to fix. The moment we fix things within, I think everything without would automatically get fixed.
I think we control our mind. We can control our mind, our thoughts. ठीक है, हम लोग किसी और को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हैं कि सामने वाले ने ऐसा बोला इसलिए मेरा दिमाग थोड़ी देर के लिए ठीक है समझ में आ रहा है, but it should not be for longer duration.
Yeah. So see, people can try to make you feel bad, but whether to let that feeling linger on within you or not, that is up to you. If you keep holding on to that feeling, so again, I would like to end this discussion by saying that you will feel bad, you will feel low. First of all, acceptance is the key. Accept that I am feeling this way. Acceptance is very, very important. Once you accept, you're halfway there. Then take responsibility of that emotion. You tell that emotion, hey, I see you are there, and do not pressurize it. It's like you're feeling it here, right down here, then you're pressurizing it from your mind, from the top. Hey, I'm not gonna believe, I'm not gonna let you flow through my body. You have to let it flow through your body. Once it flows, it'll pass on. So you say, hey, you talk to the emotion. Hey, you say, hey, I know you're in there. I accept it. I know you are making me feel bad about 1,000 things. Okay, I accept it. But I own you. You are my emotion. Somebody else cannot trigger that emotion. It cannot trigger any emotion in you unless you trigger it from within. So हमारे इमोशंस का रिमोट कंट्रोल दूसरों के हाथ में एक्चुअली नहीं है, हम दे देते हैं। हाँ, होना द पॉइंट इज हम दे देते हैं। हाँ, इट्स लाइक उनके हाथ में ही नहीं है, हम दे देते हैं। होना नहीं चाहिए तो दूर की बात है, हम दे देते हैं उनको, ये लो रिमोट and make us feel bad. So it's very, very important. And even if you're feeling bad, let's suppose you do anything, you let that emotion pass through your body. So you accept it first. Second, you take responsibility. And you tell that emotion, hey, you are my responsibility. I'll make sure you want to flow through my body, you want to make me feel bad, that's fine. But I'll make sure I take responsibility of you, and I make sure you pass through my body. You pass through my brain, you pass through my body. Yeah, let it go. Third thing is to let it go, जो कि बहुत से लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं.
It's difficult actually. Practically देखा जाए तो let it go. सुनने में जितना simple लगता है, practically when we try to do that, let go वाली चीज इतनी easily आ नहीं पाती है. Like let go, ठीक है यार जाने दो. बोलने में it's like लगता है कि हाँ जाने दो, but इतना easily possible नहीं होता है कि हम कोई भी चीज इतनी easily जाने दे सकते. Hi Shivam, are you there? I think you lost the network connection. It's about this topic, depression, and this was a much needed topic of today's like जो भी चल रहा है अभी हमारे environment में everything. So I think Shivam won't be able to join. He texted me, and we can finish this session. Thank you everyone for joining. Keep sharing, keep spreading love, keep spreading positivity, because we have negativity everywhere. Negativity फैलाने वाले बहुत लोग हैं already. So I think we should be the one to spread positivity. And how can we do that? By not posting any comment which can hamper any other person's mind, heart and soul. So spread positivity, keep smiling. And thank you all. Thank you very much for joining today's session. It was very nice to host first live session with you all, and I'll doing that. Stay connected, stay safe, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye. See you all in my next video very soon.